Hey Willie, my name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you could start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. I work with businesses to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing. And I found that by giving people an easy free plan of things that they could do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So, if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of digital marketing strategies that can help your business grow, shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan I give you and do yourself, that works for me too. So, let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. The first thing I want to go over is going to be content. So since you don't have a website, all I did is I just typed in Fence Services Tampa and I decided to go to the first organic listing website, which is right here, Fence Company Installation Repair Parts. I clicked it and it comes to this fence outlet website. So what I did is I plugged them in this tool I use called SEO Quick to see what their content was running. So in order to be fully optimized with Google, they want to see a minimum of 1,500 words on the home page. As you can see here, they're shy of that with 1226. So right away, if you just built your website and you had that 1,500 minimum, you'd already be beating them in one area. Now, quantity of content isn't going to get you ranked to the first page necessarily, but it's a good start. And you want to make sure you focus on this keyword density and plug in the keywords that you want to be found for. So I typed in Fence Services Tampa, and as you can see, they have fence 51 times, fencing 26 times, and Tampa 24 times. So when Google's algorithm scrubbed the search engine for what I was looking for, they found all these keywords and pulled them towards the top. So content's the first thing and the easiest thing to do. The second thing I did is I plugged them in a tool called Whitespark, and we can see that they have 44 citations. Now, citations are simply directories that they are registered with. So as you can see, they're registered in Yelp, BBB, Yahoo, Merchant Circle. There's tons of these out there. And even Facebook has their own area in which you can list your citations. Citations simply come down to your NAPs, name, address, and phone number. Now the third thing is the most important thing on ranking up in Google, and that's going to be your backlinks. So again, I plugged their URL here in a tool called Ahrefs, and we can see that they have an 8 DR. Now Google holds this DR in high regard, and it's from 0 to 100. In fact, this is the most that Google looks at when ranking websites. And what gives this DR is going to be your backlinks. Now backlinks are basically other websites pointing at your website. So for example, if there's a website called bestfencingin tampa.com and they on their website point to your URL that you would build for Raven Fence LLC, then that would be a backlink and they would be sharing some of their power with your website. The DR is the ultimate power of your website. Now you may be saying, holy cow, 1.2 thousand backlinks. And you're right, that is a lot. But they are a company that has multiple locations. So if we look here at their specific Tampa location, we can see they only have 25 backlinks, but they still have the same DR. And that's what I wanted to show, is that the DR stays the same as the home page and their root domain. So although you could beat the 25 backlinks easily, it's important to note that these backlinks here are still contributing as far as power. Also, these are highly based on quality. If you can go get backlinks from anywhere, but the quality is what's really going to give that DR. Google realized that people are just using spammy websites to try and build their backlink profile, and they're actually dropping websites down in their rankings for that. So it's important to find backlinks that are high quality and relative to your business. So in this, for this instance, you want to have companies that talk about fencing, fence installation, fence repair, that sell fence products, things like that to put your backlinks on. Also, look at the amount of organic traffic they're getting. They're getting 932 clicks a month, which is crazy. Imagine the customer base that they pull in. Now, in conclusion, we talked about 3 things. We talked about content and how getting that minimum of 1,500 words is critical to being at the minimum of Google's algorithms. Secondly, we discussed citations and how the more citations you have, the more your business is spread out across directories, and it does also contribute minor backlinks. Third, we talked about backlink profile and how building this DR is going to be crucial to growing your business and getting it to the first page of Google. Now, if you implement these strategies and tools that we discussed today, you can easily start climbing to the first page of Google. So, what now? Well, You can take the information I provided you today and do this all on your own, which I'm totally cool with. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.